Hello, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Cyr. Today we're going to be making guacamole dip from scratch. First, you're going to need some lime juice, 2 avocados, some garlic, a serrano pepper for a little kick, 3 tomatoes straight from the vine, and 1 red onion. Now first you're going to want to wash your tomatoes because nobody wants to cook with a dirt.
They found the gold!
God damn it!
Tell me where the treasure is, and maybe I'll let her live.
You don't have to do this. I can help you.
Or maybe I'll shoot her any.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.